I'm Earl Brooks, the father of Cynthia Brooks from William Street District, Aberdeen, PO. Nearby community, we have Barnet, we are heading to a stream, Barnet Stream, the river, Black River. And then we are going to Raheen Fall, 2 places over there. And we are going to show you our tall mountain, but we're going to put a waterfall up there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Hello guys, welcome to the Brooks Adventure Trail. Guys, I heard about this trail and I made the decision to come down to see what it is about. But guys, this will take in a lot of driving and scenery, so I want you to stay tuned so that we can see what this trail will be about. Remember, we're promoting the local area, and if there is something like this in your area, what should we do? Share it with the world. Come on guys, come and enjoy this trail, this tour with me.
This is our next location. This is the Barnet Riverhead. We take tourists right here.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Now we're still in our beautiful parish St. Elizabeth, and we are here on a tour.
Wow, Wana.
Oh, okay, here you go.
So remember to come to the Brooks Adventure Trail.
So guys, we're still on the Brooks Adventure Trail, and this is where they have the plan and the intention to put the waterfall, and the waterfall will be of importance to the tour itself, where the tourists that comes in, they will enjoy themselves, have fun. So guys, just look at the area, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. It's your lady Tania, and we will continue on this journey. You alone are worthy. You alone are worthy.
That is a man I see water would have swimming. In swim grassy. Go like overfeed. God has grace.
Alright, champion.
All right.
Yes, mistress.
Take care.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, boys.
So guys, we're still on the trail, we're having a great time, and let me tell you, this is a wonderful experience. This tour actually includes hiking, biking, eco tour, and camping. You cannot miss out on this experience.
What is demon?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the name? So we're
So far we have seen this lovely river, we have seen the beautiful mountain, and let me tell you, this is an experience that you do not want to miss.
Old man. And the first time I guessed it.
Them road no.
we pass wide.
Down, shot it.
I would enjoy driving that. Enough for the students and one college.
Money, look out at the nearest chapter. Look up.
So guys, now we're on the main road and we're heading to two rivers. We're heading to two rivers, but enjoy the view on the outside. Isn't that lovely? Oh my god.
Dig the land. And so far guys, I'm letting you know that you all should come and be a part of this adventure. If you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also give the video a thumbs up. Just look at the beauty with me. So guys, we're at the Raheen Lane, and this river actually is coming from Trelawney, and it is now a part of the Black River, so it's flowing all the way to the Black River. Alright, so enjoy the beauty, enjoy nature, and have fun. Maybe them go back home. Ask them where I go. Blow them and ask them where them I go.
Where now go? Alright, alright. Yes, I can't tell you go so please.
Hey guys, still enjoying myself on the Brooks Adventure Tour. It has been a wonderful tour so far. So far I'm enjoying myself. Now where is it that we're going?
The next part.
So we're going to a waterfall. It has a name?
The same Raheen.
Right, so we're still in the Raheen area and we're going to a waterfall area, and this tour has been great so far, guys. I'm letting you know that this is a wonderful tour and you should all consider coming to Williamsfield and be a part of this adventure. Let me tell you, the Brooks, they're doing a wonderful job and I'm just so grateful to be a part of this tour, and it is indeed an adventure. Right, Mr. Brooks?
Yes.
All right. Repeat.
First I come this side.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm coming this side.
Me jogging on the road there, you understand? Me used to.
Oh, you used to drive trucks?
Yeah.
The cane truck. What was that like? The experience driving the cane truck. What was it like?
It's rough, but I love it.
Oh, okay. So we are walking to the river, to the falls.
See pretty bamboos.
We have some wonderful bamboo trees here. So guys, when you come on the trail, you will see different trees and so on. So it'll be a lovely experience because this is my first time doing it and I'm having a great time. So guys, we're at the falls, at the river. Woo! And this is the beauty. You guys going to swim? No?
Yeah, I'm going to go to you. That's good.
Guys, we're still on the Brooks Adventure Tour. We're still on the Brooks Adventure Trail and so far it has been wonderful. This is going to be our last stop and we're having some fun with the boys. They're chucking off into the water and enjoying St. Elizabeth to the best of their ability. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and remember to share the video so that everybody can know about the Brooks Adventure Trail. Alright, so the boys said that I should come off of the stone because I want to dive off of the stone. So guys, stay tuned and just watch them.
Put it in there.
Okay guys, so we have had a very long day. The Brooks Adventure Trail, you have been there with us and I do hope that you enjoy that trail because it was wonderful with the rivers and the tours and looking at the tracks and all of that. In the meantime, I just want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.